I'm Bill Elsey with Showplace Lawns. How to repair bald spots on grass. Well, the reason that it's a bald spot to begin with can vary. And you need to consider the fact that grass is not going to grow everywhere. Nature is pretty good with letting us know where stuff will grow and where it won't. So rather than to keep replacing the grass in an area and keep fighting it to get it to grow, why not replace that area with a bed or a container plant or something of this nature to cover that spot? It doesn't have to be grass. You can have a very good looking lawn and have something set in one or two places, and if tastefully done, it can look really nice. And so I would recommend that if it is a bald spot, the first thing you should do is to see why it's a bald spot. Is it because the area is too shaded? Is it because there's rock in the soil? Or is it because there's great runoff there? And if all of these or any of these are the answers, I would suggest a container plant or something, maybe even a little bed of some sort, or an accent rock, or any of these to fit that spot and blend in with the grass and the rest of your landscaping.